Wako's move has been criticized as going against the spirit of implementation. The AG, through a gazette notice, issued a legal notice delegating some of his constitutional powers and functions to the office of the Chief Public Prosecutor to be headed by Keriako Tobiko. Functions that, according to the new constitution, include powers to direct the Inspector General of Police to investigate any alleged crime and powers to initiate, take over, continue or discontinue criminal prosecutions, authority that was initially vested in the Attorney General's office.
Creating a new office, publicizing it, and offering somebody whose term and duration had expired in the old constitution the same position. So it's a bit anomalous, I would say so.
I think we must openly say that this is not right, because the Constitution envisages that all public officers be vetted afresh.
With a copy of the new Constitution,
law experts say these functions shall be undertaken by constitutional office holders, and the new constitution clearly does not provide for the office of the Chief Public Prosecutor, but a Director of Public Prosecutions.
If the intention of creating this office is to transfer, and if the communication that came from the AG's office was that he has transferred some of those functions to this new position of Chief Public Prosecutor, that is absolutely unconstitutional. Because he cannot. He can assign some of them administratively, but the buck stops with the AG.
Besides, the new constitution says that the Attorney General will continue undertaking the functions of the Director of Public Prosecutions until one is appointed by the President and vetted by Parliament.
My argument would be that the spirit of the Constitution has been prejudiced in this case, because the spirit of the Constitution is actually to say that all high-profile offices will have to go through vetting.
Furthermore, Wako's move is being interpreted as an assumption of an executive role.
Perhaps what needed to be done is an administrative circular from the Office of the President to the State Law Office with consultations with the Attorney General.
So, has Wako moved to create a soft landing for Tobiko, whose job was on the chopping board, or has he moved to fill a gap that his departure, as required under the new constitution, would have created? The AG's office is yet to respond with an explanation of the legal notice. Hussein Mohamed, Citizen Live at 9.